Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to get text and image side by side in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to get text and image side by side. Firstly we insert an image. Go to the insert menu. Then click picture option and choose a picture. Now I choose this picture and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Then we click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then resize this picture some small. Now we get text this image side. Go to the insert menu and click text box option and insert a text box. Then move this text box on the image side and increase the size. Then write anything in this text box, then increase the size. Now we can see here this text box and we click the text box. Go to the format menu, then click shape outline, then choose no outline. Now we can see here we get text and image side by side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.